Understanding, Raising Awareness, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, raising awareness. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this phrase, this video is for you. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important. So, let's get started. Raising awareness refers to the act of bringing attention to a particular issue or cause. It's about making more people informed about something important, often with the goal of inspiring action or change. For example, when we talk about raising awareness for health issues, environmental concerns, or social injustices, we're talking about informing and educating the public about these topics. Raising awareness is crucial because it's the first step towards change. Before people can act on an issue, they need to know about it. Awareness campaigns help spread knowledge and understanding, which can lead to public support, policy changes, and improved conditions. For instance, awareness about recycling has led to more eco-friendly practices worldwide. Let's look at some examples of how to use this phrase. 1. Nonprofits often focus on raising awareness about global issues. 2. The campaign aims at raising awareness of the importance of mental health. 3. As a teacher, she plays a role in raising awareness about the value of education. Notice how the phrase is often followed by the word about and then the specific issue or topic. Raising awareness is used in various contexts. Social campaigns, like promoting human rights or environmental protection, health education, such as spreading knowledge about diseases, charity events, to inform and gather support for a cause, public announcements, often by governments or organizations to inform the public about important issues. Understanding the phrase, raising awareness, is essential in grasping many English conversations, especially those related to social issues, health, or education. We hope this video has shed light on what it means and how you can use it. Remember, by raising awareness, we can all contribute to making a difference in the world. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.